Hi everyone. I'm feeling a bit upset. Seems to happen a lot lately. I just got, I think it was kind of an automatic message from Airbnb, but they threatened to suspend or close one of my listings. I don't know. I sort of laugh, but I also feel angry too. We had a group of 6 people who they booked for 2 people, but they cheated us basically. 6 people stayed, and they claimed it was just a big mistake. But then when I kept asking them about it, they wouldn't answer. Then they gave us a crappy review, which is also crappy. Gave us like a 2 out of 5 or a 1 out of 5 because they knew I was going to give them a bad review probably. And I finally had threatened to call the police on them because they weren't answering me. And I claimed that they committed fraud, which they had, by booking for 2 people, and 6 people actually stayed. So that was the first thing. So we got a really terrible review from them. If you are hosting, you will know that 1 out of 5 or 2 out of 5 are quite devastating. Then we had another guest, not a native English speaker, and communication was difficult when he was checking in. And the information I sent to him in English clearly states, this is just an example. You're going to get a code, for example 021, and then you put that code into our lockbox, and that's how you get the key. Well, he took that as the code, but it clearly says for example. And then he rated us 1 out of 5 or 2 out of 5 for check-in, saying it was difficult. And I don't know, I just sort of shake my head sometimes. You do your best, you just can't please everyone. Most guests are great and they seem very happy with the place, but it hurts to get those reviews, and then it hurts to get a notice from Airbnb when you work so hard for 8 years. So yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to share. And anyway, I try to stay positive, and I try to use this kind of stuff. How can we improve? So I'm trying to improve the unit anyway. But I don't think these things were our fault. It's not my fault someone cheated. And it's not my fault someone can't understand English, which is the international language of the world, I would say. Anyway, I don't expect perfect communication, but I sent him the code. If he just read the code properly, it wouldn't have been a problem. So anyway, just wanted to share. Hope you're doing well in your hosting journey. Let us know how you're doing in the comments below. Thank you for watching.